Have you ever wondered how loops work in Python? Just like the cycle of sunrise and sunset, Python loops continue until a certain condition is met. Let's dive into the world of Python loops, beginning with the basics. In Python, loops are control structures used to repeat a sequence of instructions until a certain condition is met. There are two types of loops in Python: for loops and while loops. Consider a while loop. It's like a repeating cycle that continues as long as a specific condition is true. Think about the cycle of sunrise and sunset. It goes on and on until the condition, the existence of the Earth, changes. Here's how we can represent this concept in Python. Imagine the sunrise and sunset cycle as the repeated action within our loop. The condition Earth exists is the reason for the loop to continue. We can represent this condition with a boolean variable in Python. The end of the Earth is the condition to break the loop, which we can represent by changing the boolean variable. Let's translate this into Python code. We start by declaring a variable Earth_exists and setting it to true. Then we begin our while loop. This loop continues as long as Earth_exists is true. Inside the loop, we print sunrise and sunset, representing the actions of our cycle. To simulate the end of the Earth and thus the end of our cycle, we would have a condition inside the loop that could set Earth_exists to false. This change would break the loop, and we would print end of the Earth. The loop has stopped. Output. So that's how loops work in Python. They continue until a certain condition is met, just like the cycle of sunrise and sunset. Whether you're simulating the daily cycle of the Earth, counting items in a list, or running an operation a set number of times, Python loops offer a powerful way to control the flow of your programs. Remember, the key to mastering loops, like any other concept in Python, is practice. Write code, make mistakes, learn from them, and write more code. That's your loop in the learning process. And who knows, maybe one day you'll be the one explaining how loops work to someone else. Until then, happy coding.